Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. I run online IELTS and spoken English classes. Interested people can contact me through email. My email address is given in the description box. Along with that, the links for other videos are also mentioned. So kindly watch them out. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we have started subordinating conjunctions. All these subordinate conjunctions are very helpful in making complex sentences. They are also known as glue words. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Let's see the definition of subordinating conjunction first. The subordinating conjunction is a conjunction used to connect two unlike clauses, phrases or sentences from which one is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. So unlike, that is the meaning of different clauses, phrases or sentences. A subordinate conjunction joins a main or you can say an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. Let's see formula. Main clause, then subordinating conjunction and then subordinate clause. Let's see first as soon as. So the meaning of as soon as is something happens immediately or at the very moment or shortly. Let's try to understand as soon as with the help of example. They came to talk to me as soon as I entered the staff room. So here they came to talk to me, that is independent clause or you can say main clause or principal clause. Then as soon as, that is subordinating conjunction, and then I entered the staff room, that is subordinate clause or you can say dependent clause. Now here I entered the staff room and immediately after that they came to talk to me. That is the meaning of this as soon as. Second example. A baby deer can stand as soon as it is born. Here a baby deer can stand, that is main clause or you can say independent clause. Then as soon as, that is subordinating conjunction and it is born, that is subordinate clause. Let's see more examples. As soon as we reach the station, the train arrived. So here as soon as comes in the beginning. That is why here comma is given after principal or you can say here we reach the station, that is subordinate clause, and after that principal clause starts, and between both of them comma is there because as soon as is given in the beginning. As soon as it gets dark, birds return to their nest. So here birds return to their nest immediately gets dark. Here it means that here it gets dark. So immediately after that what happens? Birds return to their nests. Here as soon as is given in the beginning, that's why you have to put comma. Next. As soon as we switch on the fan, it starts revolving. So here immediately after, as soon as we switch on the fan, that is subordinate clause, and after putting comma, it starts revolving, that is given, that is main clause or you can say principal clause. Next, As soon as the snake charmer opened the basket, a cobra came out. So here the snake charmer opened the basket. Immediately after that, what happened? A cobra came out. So that is the meaning of this as soon as. As soon as I heard the sad news, I rushed to my friend's house. So here I heard the sad news. So immediately I rushed to my friend's house. That is the meaning of as soon as. As soon as the national anthem starts, we stand in attention. So as soon as subordinating conjunction, the national anthem starts. This is subordinate clause. After putting comma, this is main clause, that is we stand in attention. Let's move to next. No sooner than. It has the same meaning as soon as, so you can replace it with no sooner than, but the structure is different. Here meaning is the same, immediately or shortly. Let's see the example. First, as soon as our teacher entered the classroom, comma, we stood up. So here simple past is used. Okay, so pay attention here. Then we are turning this as soon as into no sooner than construction. So how to turn? First of all, you have to write no sooner. Okay. After that, you have to go to verb. Here entered. That is V2 form. Simple past. That is why did you have to write. After that, our teacher. That is the subject. And enter you have to write. Don't put ed or don't put V2 form because we have already added did in the beginning. Then the classroom, and then instead of putting comma, you have to use THAN, not THEN, but THAN, and then rest of the sentence will come. We stood up. Let's see next example. As soon as it gets dark, birds return to their nests. Now how to turn this into no sooner than? Here first of all you have to write no sooner instead of as soon as. Then it gets dark. So here V1 form. It means base form. Simple present tense is given. That's why here we have used does. Because it is there. Third person singular. That's why does and not do. So no sooner does it get dark. Why? S will not come because does is already mentioned. That's why. Immediately after that, don't put comma, but instead of putting comma, you have to use then. THAN. And rest of the sentence will be the same. That is birds return to their nests. So this way you can use as soon as, no sooner than. Okay, let's move to next subordinating conjunction, and that is that. It comes immediately after all, everything, something, anything, nothing, one, none, little, few, much and only. And this, that provides more information. For example, the only thing that a child needs is its mother's love. So here the only thing. Which one? So here we have joined two sentences with the help of that. So that is used to add more information. So more information is given after using that. So the only thing, that is main clause. That is subordinating conjunction, and a child needs is its mother's love. So that is subordinate clause, or you can say dependent clause. Let's see more examples. My father believes that I should be a writer. So more information is added after writing that. Next, he works so hard that he can provide everything we need. So, more information is given after writing that. This is the book that gives us knowledge. So, here this is the book, this is main clause, that subordinating conjunction gives us knowledge, that is subordinate clause. It is true that today is Sunday. More information is added after writing that. Next, Yamini fears that she will fail. So here Yamini fears, that is main clause, or you can say independent clause. That is subordinating conjunction. She will fail, that is subordinate clause. Next, tell them that I will come. So more information is added after that. I am sure that she said so. So here I am sure, that is main clause, or you can say independent clause. That is subordinating conjunction, and she said so, that is subordinate clause. Hope you understood well. So here we will start exercise. Choose proper conjunctions from the brackets. Okay, 4 sentences are given with brackets. You have to choose appropriate one, and your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, we switch on the fan, it starts revolving. So that and no sooner do than, that is given. So here we will use no sooner do than. Why do? Because this is the sentence of simple present tense. That's why we have to use do. And we is used. So according to the subject we need to use helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. That's why here do is there. So no sooner do, then here you have to write THA and then. Second, I was declared a winner. Everybody cheered up. So as soon as and that, both are given in the bracket. So which one is the correct one? So as soon as. As soon as I was declared a winner, everybody cheered up. He said he was catching fish in the river. As soon as and that, both are given. So here more information is given. That's why we will choose second one, and that is that. He said that he was catching fish in the river. Last one. It is true, my grandfather wrote a book about my grandmother. So that and as soon as, both are given in the bracket. So which one is correct? More information is added. That's why we will choose first one, and that is that. It is true that my grandfather wrote a book about my grandmother. Hope you understood these subordinate conjunctions. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned. More is yet to come.